I don't get it. Where could it be? Uh-oh. Mo and Yuko are calling. That either means something's wrong or something's really wrong. No, you can't go help them. You have to stay safe today. Monks! Anchao, over here! This is perfect. No monk will ever come near this water. You'll be safe here, okay? Promise me you won't come out from behind the waterfall. Not for anything but your friends. Take me to Yuko and Mo. Wings, don't fail me now.
What's taking Mia so long?
Never mind that now. Just keep digging.
Boy, flying sure is exhausting. I need to rest. I know. Just gotta catch my breath. Okay, not much further.
Perfection! They've left the unicorn completely alone. Straight to the waterfall!
Mia!
Whoa! Sorry I took so long. What happened here?
Where's Anchao?
I left him at the waterfall.
You left him?
I didn't want to bring him near the monk patrol.
But the monks are going there!
Didn't you pass the monks on your way here?
Well, I had to touch down for rest once or twice. They must have gone right past me. Oh no! Anchao!
Mia, look out!
Nice shot!
Hurry, Mia. You have to get back to Anchao.
Here, take some extra water. You might need it.
What about you?
We'll join you as soon as we dig ourselves out. Just go! Go!